Well, the CDC just released a report yesterday showing a sharp increase in suicide rates across the country in the last 20 years. The state of Idaho, one of the largest increases, as much as 50%. Behind those numbers, though, are people and families and communities who grieve their loss. We spoke with a Hayden family today who feels that grief acutely after their teenage son, took his life on Monday. They shared their story with KXOI4's Caroline Rourke today. She's live in Hayden with what they want the community to know before a vigil for their son tonight. Caroline?
Nadine, changing narratives surrounding suicide and working for its prevention requires thought. It requires responsibility and careful consideration of the multitude of circumstances that can affect any person's life. It sounds intimidating and overwhelming, but it can start simply, just by having a conversation. And that is all that the Crawford family is asking of their community. The loss of their son, Austin, earlier this week has brought with it an incredible pain, but they've found in that pain a new mission: to help. Kevin Crawford responds to these calls as a firefighter. He never thought he would have to as a parent.
And I knew right away, in my gut, that, oh my God, my son husband took his life.
Letters Austin left opened his parents' eyes to struggles they hadn't seen, pain they couldn't have known the depths of.
He was just such a fun, loving, caring kid, and happy. He was always happy, but he had a dark spot.
But his letters also showed Kevin and Kathy the next step forward.
But my son wanted something done, and he wanted to change. And
it was Kathy's idea, a nonprofit in Austin's name, to generate awareness and connect people to resources.
We're going to help families, siblings, parents. You know, Austin said, "Make a change, Dad, you're amazing." And we're going to do it. And if I can change one person, it's a win. It
starts with conversation, which Kevin plans to begin himself at a vigil for his son tonight.
We can all do better. Let's talk.
Talk to your parents, to your children, talk to an emergency hotline or to a trusted friend. It begins with talking, Kevin says. He still talks to his son every day.
Austin said he's not gone. He's physically not here, but he's up in the stars. And he said if anybody wanted to talk, he's just look at the stars. He's looking down.
Many of the Crawford's plans for that nonprofit involve not only connecting people to resources, but also helping them cope with the costs of those resources. Those plans, however, are on somewhat of a hold for now. Right now, they're really focusing on honoring Austin and celebrating his life, which they plan again to start tonight here at Crawford Park, which is named for Austin's grandfather. There will be a vigil held here tonight beginning at 7:30. They ask that people who would like to remember Austin are welcome to join. Our Kyle Simchuk will be here for that vigil tonight. You can find full coverage tonight on KXOI4 Nightside. In Hayden, Caroline Rourke, KXOI4 News.
Thank you, Caroline.